Hi, I'm now doing the unboxing of my new iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I only just got from Mozillion. This is my first time to ever try Mozillion, so I hope it will be a good experience. I have not bought any new phones for almost 3 years now. I've been using iPhone 12 so far, and this one is an iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabytes, which is it's a very huge upgrade for me since this was only 121, the one that I'm using to record this video right now. The interesting thing is I got this for only £1,990, and that is way cheaper than if I would have bought it straight from the App Store. I think the brand new one on App Store is £1,399. This one is still brand new, so it would be very interesting how it turns out to be. I hope that it is in the same condition that you get from the normal Apple store, because I think these are all brand new phones that has been advertised by someone probably that wasn't in need for their iPhone anymore, and then they would just sell it on Mozillion, and Mozillion would be the intermediary between two people, and then they would sell it back to you or to whoever wants it on the website. So this one was a natural titanium color, so as soon as I bought it, it went off the store. It was only one available. There were maybe two others of the black titanium color, and that's it. And they were all very cheap in consideration if you compare it to the App Store ones. So let's open it and see. It arrives in the Royal Mail box. They take maybe £7 extra for delivery, but that's still, you're saving £300 in total, isn't it? So yeah, it's even cheaper than if you would have bought it renewed or refurbished from the App Store or from Amazon renewed store or something. So let's see, I hope it's as new as the one that you would get from Apple. I don't have any relation to Mozillion, but if this one turns to be great, then I would definitely recommend Mozillion later on. Okay, so you can see it comes in sort of a box, non-iPhone box. So let's open and see what's inside. Maybe that's just to protect it during delivery. Maybe there's a proper iPhone box inside. Let's see. This is taking way too long. I will just probably cut this part out after I finish the video. Oh, here you go. So that is the proper iPhone box. It's got the Apple brand on it and everything, and the barcode, get ahead, be app first, and it says iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabytes natural. Not sure if it's visible on the camera or not. That's very exciting, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to pull that now. Designed by Apple in California, it says. Okay, then the other one. It does look legit, as in proper brand new. Wow. I think that is everything that you get with a new iPhone, isn't it? It's properly locked and everything. Well, this color is amazing, isn't it? I think I would have bought this color even if I bought it from anywhere else. Still, I think natural titanium is an amazing color. And with it you get the things that you would get with any iPhone: the pin, the Apple sticker, and you get a cable as well. That's the new USB-C cable, isn't it? Perfect. So let's go inside. It's turning on. It's taking longer than expected. But still, you can see here there's no scratches or anything to say that it was ever touched before. Nothing at all on the surface. No hand marks, no fingerprints, no nothing. I think this is as brand new as it gets. And there's the SIM card port, the sound port, then the new button here that I still don't know how to use. And there's the lock button. Oh, and this is the new thing that iPhone made for the iPhone 15. It's an island, the smart island or intelligent island or something. Okay, so I think I'll skip. So the setup process of these new iPhones is very different than I remember from the last time I bought an iPhone, which is this one I'm using to record the video. So you can see here it's asking me to bring the iPhone to any other iPhone or iPad that I have, and it would set them up together somehow. I don't know how. So let's see. I'm going to get it closer to this iPhone now. And let me check this one to see. Nothing yet. Maybe because it's recording, I'll just pause the record. So here we go. We are now 2 hours later. After I finished setting up the phone, the new phone. It first took me through all the process of signing into the Apple ID and adding the my cards onto the Apple Wallet, and then it said I want to start cloning your old phone to this one and just keep them close together, which is very, very smart, to me at least. It took maybe about an hour, and then it fully cloned the old phone which I'm using to record the video to this new phone, and I'm really happy with that. I have all my apps and everything, all my favorites, even my photos, everything, all 3,883 photos are here. My mail is all as before. All of them signed in and ready to go. So, and I checked the battery health and it is 100%. I was sure that it was going to be 100%, but just wanted this for reassurance. So this is 100% a brand new iPhone that I bought for only £1,090 with delivery, and that is in May 2024. So at the same exact time, this same iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 gigabytes is being sold on the Apple website for £1,399. So I got it for more than £300 cheaper. So I would definitely recommend Mozillion. I'm thinking I'll probably buy more things from them in the future, and um, also tell my friends and family to do the same. They basically connect a seller and a buyer, someone who's got another phone. Doesn't necessarily need to be doesn't necessarily need to be an iPhone. By the way, they also do other types of phones. So someone who's got a phone who needs to sell it, whether that is new, brand new, refurbished, or used, they take it. They either refurbish it or just remarket it. They check it that it is in the same condition as described. They give it their own guarantee, by the way. So this phone has got 2 year guarantee from Mozillion rather than from Apple or anywhere else. And then they reship it to the buyer. And obviously, I would say they would make some profit in between, but still, even with that, so even if they made some profit, it is very, very cheap. Um, but also, I'm guessing that it depends on availability, so you might go onto the website and not find anything available at the time. I'm happy with the deal I got. I would do it again in the future, and I'm happy it wasn't a scam, because I was a bit suspicious at first when I saw that it was a very, very good deal. I thought it might be too good to be true, but it wasn't. It was the real thing. So I would do it again in the future for sure. See you later then.